Welcome to the Daily Jing for Wednesday, February 6th. Some of you have been asking whether I can tell you if you've posted your papers correctly so far. What I'll do starting tomorrow is, as far as the description of place essay is concerned, I'll look through those and then I'll go into your grade book. And because we're using the description of place um, post as the final exam, in other words, what you're going to do at the final exam is you're going to rewrite that. Okay. So what I'll do in your grade book in the final exam slot is I'll put a 1 if I've received it correctly and everything's okay, or I'll put a 0 if I haven't received it. And you'll have to contact me to find out what the problem is. Okay. And the other thing that I'll do is I'll go into the view and do's, the first couple view and do's that we've done for last week, and I'll post the scores for those. And if you haven't done them correctly, you'll get a 0 and a note telling you what's wrong with the post. Okay, so starting tomorrow, I will do that. I have more than 60 students in my 3 classes, so it's going to take me a little bit of time, so I may not be able to finish it by tomorrow, but I'll work on it on Friday also. So at least by Saturday morning, I should have everyone's um, view and do's looked at, the first couple at least, and whether you've posted the description of place correctly. And as I've said, that if you get a 1 in the slot for your description of place or for the final exam, then it's okay. If I put a 0, then it's not okay, and you'll have to contact me and I'll explain to you what the problem is. Okay? So let's look at the schedule briefly to talk about what's due today. Click on the second week here. We'll go right to it. Here's Wednesday. The view and due 1.2 is due or finally due by tomorrow, Thursday at 6 a.m. And then we're starting the 1.3, how to post the rough drafts and the peer reviews. We're not doing a peer review for this particular paper, but I want you to see how you do this, how you post the drafts and the peer reviews. And also be aware that the first draft of the paper is due Friday or finally due by Monday at 6 a.m. So what's due today? This is the question of the day. What is due today? And what's due today is the view and due 1.2, the Hofstadter 1 view and due, or it's finally due by tomorrow, Thursday at 6 a.m. Okay? All right, thanks.